Hello guys, so dinner time na naman dito sa aming munting tahanan. Maaga tayong kakain ngayon. I think it's 7 in the evening. Kasi, mag-work na ako bukas ulit. So we have to be done eating here early. Tapos after nun, pupunta na kami sa apartment talaga na tinitirhan namin. So, yung kakainin namin ngayon guys. So guys, yung kakainin namin, yun yung parang leftover ng kinain namin yesterday. So, andito pa rin yung potato salad. Pakita. So, yan pa rin yung potato salad from yesterday. So, may leftover tayo. Ang sarap niya guys. Promise. Dito parang binarbecue na pork. Yummy din. Tapos may sausage na leftover from yesterday. Tapos yung aking smoke na isda. I-mackerel siya. Tapos gusto ko ilagay din dyan para para warm. So yun. Tapos yung cook natin, yan pa rin. Tapos guys, may paganito tayo. May kunting flame. Para cozy kuno. Tapos may improvement yan yung namin yung tissue paper namin pang na talaga pangkain na talaga on the table. So upo na muna ako. Tapos guys, yung rice ko andun pa, niluluto pa. And yeah, yun yung naging weekend ko this time. Free ako from work Saturday, Sunday. Tapos sa Saturday at Sunday na yun, nandito lang kami. Sa Colony. Actually, umuwi kami paggabi doon sa apartment namin. So, dito lang. Tapos, naglinis. No, it's not done yet. So, naglinis kami. Yung kwarto, yung bedroom. At least, ready na siya pag dumating na yung bed. Tapos, yung garden doon. At least, hindi na siya gano'n na parang pa-forest na ang style. Kinat na namin yung grass. Tapos, sa likod ng parang kitchen dito, kinat na din. Dami pang gagawin guys. Tapos ang dami pang mga gamit na titingnan pa namin kung itatapon ba or hindi itatapon kasi sa sobrang dami. And we really wanna be able to try to live here before we will travel to Philippines. Uwi kaming Pinas by September guys. So it would just be so nice na ma-try naming tumira dito kahit for 1 month lang or maybe 3 weeks. I don't know. Para ma-experience namin kasi ito talaga parang pinaghirapan namin ng bonggang-bongga. O ito na, may free taste si Mister. Sarap daw. Sarap nga. Very flavorful. Nabili namin to sa Nabili namin ito guys sa Lidl na supermarket dito and marinated. My God.
Very salty and spicy.
So marinated na siya, ready na siya. Tapos na lang, parang ikaw na lang yung mag-grill. So hindi na kailangang mag-flavor ka na dyan para maging easy ang life. So yun, masarap siya. Salty, very salty, but I like it that way. And gusto ko din yung parang may ganito ba? Alam mo yung may fat na ganyan. Nasasarapan ako sa ganun. And others, they think it's like yucks or something. But not for me. I love it that way.
How much you plate for fish?
Yeah. Ready na daw yung isda ko. Wait siya. Ready na yung isda, guys. Hintay-hintay na lang muna tayo sa rice.
Ketchup, senap, drinks, everything's ready?
Not yet.
You get ready now, food is ready.
Oo, Martin. Kunin ko na muna yung mga ketchup. So guys, ready na yung aming pagkain. Yung rice na lang ang kulang. Pero okay lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sarap. Kain tayo. Yum. Oh my God. I-enjoy ko muna talaga yung araw na to kasi tomorrow guys, I'm gonna have a very long day at work. From 7 in the morning. Tapos until 7 ng gabi. 12 hours. And it's not a normal schedule here in Denmark. It's just because somebody, yung ka-workmate ko, she needed help para mag-take ng extra shift. Yung parang, yung work niya is from 4 to 7, pero parang may family emergency sila, ganyan. So, I've been asked if I could take her shift. So, off sana ako ng 4. But I'm gonna be taking her shift from 4 to 7, kaya ganun. Okay lang din naman, ibig sabihin nun, more money. Okay lang. More money for shopping. My God. No, actually, kailangan tayong mag-work hard guys kasi alam nyo na uwi tayong Pinas by September. Ibig sabihin nun, marami tayong mga gastos, vacation, alam nyo na nag-work hard tayo, so kailangan ding i-enjoy natin yung sarili natin. So, yun. Yan. Kain tayo. Siya lang kumakain. Yung rice wala. What?
Don't want to be in your vlog today.
Why not?
Because I
Because
don't
it's
vlog on,
Sunday.
because I don't vlog on Sundays.
Bala siya eh. You're just gonna eat. What's wrong with you? You're just gonna eat. Yummy though. Could you make like a review on that?
No. I don't make reviews on Sundays.
No. So on Sundays, you're just really gonna be the normal you. The one who doesn't give a fuck to the world.
Correct.
Kain na muna tayo eh.
Sarap.
Sarap dong. What is sarap in Bisaya? What is sarap in Bisaya?
I don't know, but in Tagalog it's sarap.
Yeah, but in Bisaya.
Nobody knows. Because no one tell you the truth.
Seriously, you don't know? Kita ba ang aking Yes, kita.
Wow, is that the small plate? Oh, that's yun.
Oo nga, oy. Kasi yung mga plates namin, guys, ano ba, yung totoo mga plates namin andun sa apartment. So, ito yung mga, lang, parang pang-camping ba? Ito lang nandito. Okay. Exactly, tastes good, this one. And I like it because it's still got its, the fat on, but it's not just pure
It's
meat.
pure fat.
Exactly. Love it.
I know you do. Was this a new one?
Yeah. From yesterday.
Okay.
Oh, busy yung phone.
Busy. No knife for me.
I'm not using the knife. It tastes good, but I have to say, the more you eat of it, the more you will taste the salt.
It's very salty.
Somebody might be angry when they made this. But when you eat it with potato dough, it's okay.
I know.
It's like
But I don't have space for potatoes because we're lacking plates.
Maybe you can put some here. The one that's like, I know. Yeah, we're lacking plates in this place.
It's very dark in the bottom.
Then I'm not eating the bottom. Masarap ito guys, oh. Yung ano nila ba? Garlic bread. Frozen. Pero na-overcook lang ni Martin. When is Nils gonna be home though, you don't know?
The 11. I gotta pick.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur, you still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from '91 that's hiding in your purse.